DAIS Weekly News. I'm Grady. I would like to give a shout out to Pre-K. Great job this week.
I'm Vicky. Thanks, Pre-K. Let's get to our first story.
And now, since no one else sent us an announcement, here's She's Mysteries.
Hi, welcome to today's She's Miseries. I'm Eric She. This is Ben. Your math test. 35 multiplied by 5 equals to what? You know? Nope. Let's learn. Basic multiplication facts. 1 multiplied by 5 equals to 5. 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15. 4 multiplied by 5 equals to 20. 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25. 5 multiplied by 6 equals to 30. 5 multiplied by 7 equals to 35. 5 multiplied by 8 equals to 40. 5 multiplied by 9 equals to 45. And 5 multiplied by 10 equals to 50. Then, let's learn. So we break up the number, which is the number that we multiplied by 5, into 10 and 5 as 15. So 15 multiplied by 5 equals to 75. We can break up them to 10 multiplied by 5 plus 5 multiplied by 5. 10 multiplied by 5 equals to 50. 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25. So 50 plus 25 equals to 75. You know, Ben?
Yes.
Then you can solve your question. And we have a secret question for everyone. What's 30 multiplied by 5? Do you know how to solve it? See you next time in She's Misery. Bye.
I'm confused. What are we supposed to multiply 5 by?
And now, an important announcement from Mr. Noodles. Oh, wait. It really makes you think.
And now, an important message from Mr. Noodles.
And we are recording. Boys and girls of DAIS and DHBS, my name is Mr. Newton. I teach the elementary design program here at DAIS, and there are some changes coming to both programs. Here it's design, and in DHBS it's called STEAM, and we are looking for ways for those groups to come together, and part of that effort is to create some logos so we can identify ourselves and each other. So let me announce the DAIS DHBS logo design contest. This is only for students at these two schools, and let's get into it. So we're looking for 3 logos in total. One for DAIS design, one for DHBS STEAM, and these two programs have a lot in common. And so you're going to see elements that would work for parts of different logos that I'm about to show you that would work for both design or STEAM or both. And then in August, we're starting a new program. I can't tell you very much about it now, but we're starting a new program to bring these two groups together. And it will also have similar elements. So we're really looking for 3 logos for the 3 different programs. I can tell you this, that the program that brings design and STEAM together, DHBS and DAIS, will have the same sort of things going on. Building, experimentation, science, math, art, basically creativity. So we're looking for 3. Here's some examples. So this one has, I really like this one because it has the 4 quadrants, and we can put 4 different little pictures about things that we do specifically in design class or in STEAM class. I like this one because it's this is another. Now, grant this is just an element, so this would be with other parts of your logo. But instead of the eagle, if it was a sea dragon going in a circle, making the gear symbol, I think that would be a nice element. I like the way this one looked. And the fact that it's eating its own tail is also funny. This one's, we liked this one a lot. This is, again, the gear symbol again, but it has different elements coming in, and it has connectors on the outside. I like the colors of that one. This one was one that we liked so much. It has the gear element again, similar to the previous one. And then the three symbols in the middle are connectors, and usually they're used to indicate connections between electricity or water when you're building something, network, technology. So we liked this one so much that we actually adapted it for our temporary logo for the DAIS Elementary Design Program. It's not our final, it's only temporary because this is not, we did not design this. We found this on the internet. So let's get into the rules, speaking of that. It cannot be copied. So if it is something that is just found on the internet and sent to me, we will not choose it. It has to be something that at least it could have similar elements to it, but it can't be an exact copy of what's on the internet or something you've seen out in the real world. It can be drawn. You can just draw it on a piece of paper, make sure your name's on it, or designed on the computer. Some kids are using the computer to help put it together. These need to be turned in by June the 9th of this school year. And if you're a DHBS, I need you to turn it in to Mr. Healy. I think some of you call him Mr. Craig. They need to be turned into him. If you have any questions, you can ask him, and then he can contact me, or you can contact me directly. If you're in DAIS, you're going to turn them in directly to me. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay? I wish you the best of luck, and hopefully we'll get 3 good logos out of this, and we wish you the best of luck. Bye. Is this still?
And now let's take a look at the calendar.
Next week, Thursday, is Science Afternoon.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
On June 4th, we will have our last community time, hosted by kindergarten.
On June 10th, it will be Sports Day.
Ask your teachers for more information about these events.
That's all the time we have for this week.
Thank you for watching. See you next week.